Hi guys, in this tutorial we're just going to run through the kiosk mode functionality, and what that refers to is on your premises or in your venue you may have a central device such as a tablet or an iPad that your team or staff are sharing, and so essentially if they're going to be interacting with the Restoke platform, multiple users are going to be interacting with it through this tablet. This is the setting that you need switched on so that multiple users can jump into their accounts in and out, and then the next user can jump in as well. I'm just going to show you how to set that up and how it really works, and a few setting recommendations that will help with how you view it. So before we jump into kiosk mode, we can actually look at the settings to see how we set it up. So if we head into settings, the first thing we will want to note is the configuration. So where in the configuration, what we can actually sort of customize is how we view the kiosk mode. So if you have a large team and there's many users at your venue, you will probably be interested in this particular option here. So really you have the option between viewing the kiosk page as per department or by user. So what that means is if you choose to have it by department, your users will be within a department, and it'll be the matter of selecting their department and then finding their particular account and logging in. But if it's a small team of users and you can just really display them on the one page, you can choose to turn this toggle off. For now, we have the departments on for the purposes of this demo. That's pretty much it in terms of the kiosk mode settings there. And one other thing to note in your My Team settings, only people or only staff members that can actually move into kiosk mode are anyone that are above normal staffing levels. So what that means is, let's say we're going to my account here and we're editing it. Anyone that's above the staff level, so senior staff manager, executive manager, administrator, will be able to enter kiosk mode, but anyone below it will not be able to. And why that's important is that they can't enter the back end and make any edits of their own or any changes accidentally. So that's just something to note. Now, actually moving into kiosk mode is simply just going to the top icon where your initials are, selecting kiosk mode. And as you can see here, we've now come to the kiosk screen. This is the screen that your team will interact with on a daily basis. And as you can see here, it's arranged by department. As we're discussing that option with toggles, the other option is to have these removed and just have the 3 users sitting here. But for the purpose of the example, we've kept it like this. And it's simply a matter of clicking onto your department, finding your account. So we found me, and we're going to put in my PIN. And that's going to bring us to my particular account or in kiosk mode. I'm going to do whatever I need to do, and once I've finished so that my peers or my other staff members on the floor can use the tablet for their own account, I will simply click back to kiosk and bring myself here. And that's essentially it. That's how you interact with kiosk mode. I hope you guys found this helpful and are ready to get started. Thanks.